All right, today Bad Tree Productions is gonna get rid of the old Scream On, or as like we like to call it, the 2.4 big block neon. Got this car out of high school back in 2008. I graduated in 2004.
That was almost a catastrophe right before you showed up.
So we're gonna do a little trading today. Get rid of the old big block neon for a Plymouth Duster.
Small block Plymouth Duster.
Yeah, super small block. I think it's only running on 6 cylinders and they're all slanted. Anyway, be sad to see it go, but I don't know. If I have a weekend warrior car, this ain't no daily driver by any means. But if I want to have a weekend car, I want to have something like that. Oh, the Duster we're gonna go look at. It's got big bolt pattern, disc brakes, 8 1/4 rear, slant 6. Interior looks really good, but it's definitely dirty. It's been sitting for 10 years. This is dirty too. I haven't driven it at all until today, just driving it down here. So that's the plan. That trailer over there, we're gonna hook on the back of this here 1/4 mile of a Ford and strap the old girl down. An 1.5 hour ride to Central City where the Duster's at and do the trade. Those are pretty big.
Fucking Ray-Bans. Keep it under 70.
Such a light car.
Such a light load.
Oh no, it's back there. So what's that weigh? That neon's probably what, 2,300 pounds?
I don't know what they are.
25? What's your average run-of-the-mill Mopar A-body?
Mine, I think is
70s era.
I think mine's 3,300.
No.
3,300 with me in it.
So she'll be a little bit heavier of a load.
A little fatter.
I hope that's not stormy, rainy weather we're driving towards.
It's just cloudy weather.
Okay, good. Old Volga City, probably a population of about -3 people that live in that town.
They got a big truck cruise though.
Oh yeah, Volga City Truck Cruise.
Volga City Truck Cruise.
Burnout contest, donut contest,
Tug of war.
tug of war.
Mud bog.
Yeah, so there you go, people. Don't just fly over Iowa. Come to the Volga City Truck Cruise. Well, viewing audience, we thought we'd show you the world's largest strawberry known to man. That thing still hasn't rotted. It's been there since when? Probably the 70s.
Oh, the Cenex with the gun shop inside.
Ooh. Buy beer, diesel, and a 12 gauge.
and a Mossberg.
Everybody needs a Mossberg when they top off their tank. Another common thing you see on the Iowa highways is
Oh no.
covered roads.
Oh no.
That's
I
right.
don't even want.
Ah! Gross!
Oh, that was poop. Pretty sure.
Well, let's go check this thing out.
Oh wow, it's blue. Oh wait, that's the one we brought.
Oh. 75 Plymouth Duster. That don't look like it's gonna hold air.
Oh.
Good Mopar smell to it.
Oh yeah, dude. Headliner's pretty minty too.
Yeah. Inner fender wells look good. This up here is usually a bad spot. Fuel filter chilling there.
Come on, baby. Motor's not stuck. It's a very good sign.
She ain't too shabby over here. I forgot to bring a magnet to check it out, but here, Dad always told me the nose grease test. Get a little nose grease. She's pretty baked. She might need a little bit of wet sanding, but under the hood looks good. It's not all radical. For sure, quarter panel patch. A little bit of bubbly going on there. Is it?
That's more solid. Underneath, no problem.
A little bit on the rocker here and bottom fender. Oh yeah, a little more rocker. Not too bad though. Feel any holes?
No, a little moisture.
What do you think? She'll buff out?
Dude, I think it's really solid.
I think it's really solid too. It just looks ugly.
Yeah, I think it's. Oh, thanks.
Oh, cool. Cool, dude. Annie's gonna hate it.
Yeah.
For sure. Because it doesn't look pretty. Yeah. That's cool. Well, where's the key at? Hell yeah, dude.
I like it. One barrel.
You think you'd have her all cleaned up?
You need help out of there, buddy?
Oh, that's what the fuck?
Let's go. We'll just put that back. There you go.
We don't lock doors if we live. Ooh. Aw.
Yeah, we gotta go home.
Yeah. We're bailing on it.
Looks kind of road runnery with the
Yeah, dude. Here's
partial
where he
vinyl.
said the kid keyed it.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh, even had a little artistic little bastard.
Yeah, he was. Well, I think she'll make a video.
Yeah.
A couple of them. Tossing the
All the trims accounted for, it looks like.
tossing the Ninja 250 to the guy deal. Oh man.
Yeah, we're definitely going home now.
The trailer.
It's on the trail.
Jeremy, what's your first impersonation?
It's dirty, which you can look past that for sure. We're all a little dirty inside. Yeah, get her down back to the river and dunk it, splash it, wash it. I got 2 tires for it tomorrow, so at least it'll roll around on its own.
Yeah, because it don't want to roll worth a shit right now. I can't believe that boat hand crank on that trailer worked as slick as it did. I thought I was going to struggle.
I thought I was going to have to help with the come along, actually.
I know.
That's what I was worried about.
Oh. But yeah,
No.
it only took us an hour to load it though. We took 3 flat tires off and put 3 other flat tires on it.
Then left the other flat tire on it.
Right. Because we're like, why change a flat tire twice? Because we're not stupid. Oh. Anyway, it's back there. A lot of people might think, you know, why the hell did you get rid of that other car for this car? Well, I kind of am wondering that myself too, but I think the outcome will be, it'll be a fun project.
Time will tell, brother.
Yeah. I just want to get it on a couple of good tires that when we put them on, they keep the air inside of them.
Yeah, they hold their wind,
Yeah.
if you will.
And drop that tank, throw a couple bolts in her,
Shake it.
dunk some good squirrel jizz down in the tank, shake it around, and blow the lines out, do a simple carburetor clean, and
At least take it apart and
I'll give you a couple bucks.
rebuild, and then a couple Chevys there. Then what's the fire maker?
Yeah, some fresh stuff in it. Battery.
Battery.
Need a battery. We're not gonna run twin batteries betwixt the frame rails. This ain't no Chevy 454 big incher. So we're just gonna throw a single one in its factory hole. So, all right, I guess check back in later.